Sit. Back up. Stay. Yes. Good. Flat. My name's Lundy. My company is Lundy Training Kennels. I'm also the owner-operator of LeHa German Shepherd dogs. I started out with basic obedience. I migrated into a German dog sport called Shutzhund, which is where I've made my specialty for the last 34 years. I've worked for trainers across the country. I've worked for world team competitors in the dog sport of Shutzhund. Shutzhund is a protection dog sport. There's other protection dog sports. There's PSA, there's KMVP, there's ring sport, there's Mondio ring, and all these sports are geared towards the working dogs that do protection. Flat. So that's what we call a Platzen motion. We give the command and the handler keeps walking. Right now I'm only going to the end of my leash. In this video, we're gonna talk about, should you get a puppy? Are you ready to get a puppy? Is this the time for you to get a puppy, or should you wait? Also in this video, we're gonna cover a little bit of basic imprinting of a puppy, what you need to do when the puppy comes into your home. It's more than a hobby. For some people, it becomes a way of life. And if you're dedicated to your dog, you're dedicated to your sport, whatever that sport may be, it can be something that everybody enjoys.